Hey you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. If you are new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video I will be showing you how I use Fenty Hair products on my daughter's hair, as well as using Kaleidoscope for her braids. So if there's something you are interested in seeing, please stay tuned and watch the full video. Here we have Fenty's Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. It's a hydrating shampoo that gently cleans the hair, and I can say that it did gently cleanse her hair. I'm not for sure about did it moisturize her hair. I couldn't tell at the moment, but it definitely cleansed the hair, and it's definitely not a cleansing shampoo. I did use 3 pumps for the first shampoo because I like a lot of lather and soap and suds on the first wash. But if you're a girl that don't like that, then go ahead and just use 1 or 2 pumps. The second shampoo, I used 1 pump and it lathered real good. This shampoo also made it easy for me to use the shampoo brush. If you're a girl that likes to detangle your hair with the shampoo, during the shampoo process, then this shampoo definitely helps make the detangling process easy or smooth. So which means that this shampoo has great slip. But other than that, I noticed that it did cleanse the hair, not for sure about moisturizing the hair. Here we have Fenty's Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. This is one of their conditioners on the line. The reason why I chose this deep conditioner is because they advertise or promote this conditioner for her hair type, and her hair type is a type 4. So that's the reason why I chose this conditioner, and plus she needed some deep conditioner for her hair because her hair was very frizzy, very dry. They promote this conditioner to soften the hair, to help reduce breakage and split ends. But in my opinion, I think in order to get rid of split ends, you have to cut them off, not just put conditioner on it. But anyways, what I did notice about this conditioner, it does have great slip. It smells good. It definitely softens the hair. And I will definitely continue to use this on my daughter's hair as well as my hair. And if you check out my previous video, I'll show you how I use the deep conditioner on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that up here at the top, and go ahead and check that video out after you finish checking this video out. Here we have the Comeback Kit. This is a hair treatment that mends damaged buns that cause split ends, prevent future breakage, and instantly strengthens the hair. What I did notice that it does have great slip. It is advertised to either rinse out or use as a leave-in. What I did was use it as a leave-in for her hair type. But I also noticed that with the great slip, it also smells good. It also softens the hair, but I'm not for sure if it actually repaired the hair because I need to continue to use this product more often to see results. So just be on the lookout for a video of me talking about the Comeback Kit and my initials, not my initial thoughts, but my final thoughts about the product. Now here I'm applying the Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. It's supposed to provide protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. Also smooths, detangle, and reduce frizz, and adds shine to the hair. What I do notice that it's not a spray, it's a cream. And you know, with the spray heat protectant, it also makes the hair more wet. Well, with this cream, it doesn't make the hair more wet or dripping. It actually cut the drying time down a bit more than if I was to use a heat protectant spray. I also noticed that it does softens the hair, and it also helps detangle the hair with ease. So I think I like this heat protectant more than the ones that come in a spray form. Now in this portion of the video, I'm getting ready to braid her hair. I'm no longer using the Fenty products in the remaining of this video. I will be using this Kaleidoscope braid and grip gel. And disclaimer, I'm not a braider. Please don't judge me on my braids. Also, you can see that she did pull some of her baby hairs to the front because I will braid those baby hairs if they're not pulled to the front. And I'm not a girl that like all their baby hairs, and I can't really do the baby hairs. I just not the girl for it. So she pulls them to the front so I won't braid them into the braids. Also, if you made it this far into the video, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, share this video with your family and friends. And that's all that I had to say about Fenty products. So go ahead and finish watching the video, and we're just gonna let the song play.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here